do you know that's on yours?
I don't know. I think I always wished for this.
Whoa, that looks cool. It's a sprinkler. Look.
I know. I've been seeing it a long time.
What is it, Nat?
Chocolates.
How's this?
That's mine.
What is it?
Jelly beans.
Cool. Did brother get one of these too?
Yeah.
He did? How do you know?
I don't know.
Oh, he did.
I got cookies.
Nat, what is it?
I don't know, bunny.
Is it a lollipop?
Yeah.
No, look.
Nat,
It's a cookie.
Yeah, cookies.
I think it's bubbles.
What's this?
It has to.
Look at what you can do.
Look it. Let's do. Let's do. I don't know. The
What?
weathering can.
What is she doing?
I don't know.
Is she flying?
Yeah.
Oh, she is?
Elvis.
Nat,
Watering plants.
Nattles,
Yeah.
You want to water the plants?
what'd you get? What's that?
I don't know.
Let me see. Whoa.
What happened, Nat?
Don't worry.
What was in there?
I don't know.
Try eating it.
She doesn't know anything right now. What is it?
What is it?
I'm not supposed to eat.
Candy?
It's jelly.
What, Westy?
You're not
What? Look at me. What?
You're not supposed to eat candy when you don't eat breakfast.
Oh, yeah.
It's Easter, it's okay.
It's a special day, boo. Nat, is it yummy?
Weston.
Oh
Wait,
no,
wait, get dry.
Mommy.
It's okay, it's paint.
Oh, funny dad.